So to close, I want to say a big thank you. The world is an amazing place, and sometimes we forget. When we forget to value what we have, we can lose touch with the joy of the moment. This is human. Stuff happens in our lives, and conflicts and ruptures, fears and tears keep us busy, and we can lose ourselves. We stop listening, and very soon we feel alone and isolated. When we get disconnected from ourselves, then it naturally follows that we feel disconnected from others. And that makes us sad, because we need connection more than anything, and we need to feel that there's someone there for us, someone who cares and will not judge. When we have that, it changes us. It makes us feel safe, and we become happy, joyful, alive people. When we listen and are listened to, we build our biological trust and connection to our bodies. The practice of connecting to ourselves and each other is the source of love and life. I want couples to feel fully alive in their relationship, totally present and with the richest, most conscious connection possible. I want couples to enjoy themselves, their partners and their relationships. And I want all this for you. All this is possible if you do the work. So I ask you, are you ready to let go of conflict, anxiety, stress and an incomplete life? Just do the work, re-watch these lessons and the dialogues presented by Jack and Jill, and use the bonus materials we've included in this course. So initially, change is not easy, but soon it will become a new way to communicate and a new way to love. And it's so special when it happens. So be sweet to each other, be kind to each other, love each other. It's been a pleasure to be on this journey with you. Take care.